It's in Sigatoka, just on the Queen's Road in between Nandi and Suva. A nice little 3-bedroom house that's getting built. It's actually 2 3-bedroom units joined together by a carport, and it's based off our Olympia design. Got the container here with all the materials ready to go, all the doors, windows, insulation, all the setting compounds and plasterboard as well. It's a nice design, very straightforward, simple to build. The frames took a day to put up on this house. You can see that they're nice, straight, square, flush, and great quality.
Hi.
Hey,
I think it's in Aussie dollars.
it's in Aussie dollars, yes.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Which is getting very good at the moment for people in Fiji.